Okay, so I stopped in the middle of Illinois and got some sleep last night, about 6 hours, and I'm now about to cross into Iowa, which means I get to cross the mighty Mississippi once again. "1,000 miles, somewhere in the middle of Iowa." Is that the Quaker Oats factory? Thing's huge. It looks like this road just goes into nothing. Absolutely nothing. Just driving dead straight through central Iowa, and well, take a look. Another one off the list, South Dakota. Bless you and your 80-mile-an-hour speed limits. So much better than Iowa. But can't wait to see the Badlands and a bunch of other stuff. So after driving all day through super hot weather in Iowa, I made it to Sioux Falls, and it feels great, but I'm gonna go check out the falls real fast.